The AI analysis confirms consistent shape and texture across the board.
Excellent. The adjustments to the cooling process are maintaining stability.
The factory's fleet management system tracks shipments in real time, ensuring gummy bears reach stores and distributors efficiently from the mature factory.
The results confirm the batch is compliant. We can release the gelatin for production.
All production data is logged and analyzed by the factory's central computer system, ensuring traceability and quality control in the advanced gummy bear factory. All systems are green, safety parameters holding steady across the board. Confirmed. Output volume remains high.
The extrusion on the orange pretzel shape looks consistent.
Good. The structural integrity of this new bear shape is holding up well against the...
The analytics suggest we replace this bearing next week to avoid critical failure.
Good catch. I'll issue the work order immediately to minimize downtime.
The mature gummy bear factory's logistics software coordinates with retailers for just-in-time delivery and inventory management.
Maintaining these food safety standards requires strict adherence to the new protocols outlined here.
and the sign-off procedure.
Exactly. The digital log must be completed hourly.
This sequence optimizes the sterilization process while the robotic arms ensure precise placement.
The feedback loop is showing a defect trend on line 3.
Check the real-time sensor data.
We can assure the customer it's being corrected.
The audit report looks good so far.
What about the seal integrity measurements?
They are within the acceptable deviation range according to global standards.
Storm. We need to confirm the tensile strength of the new material.
The initial data suggests a 20% improvement.
Our high-tech production line ensures efficiency and quality in every single gummy bear we produce.
Water sample secured. Initial analysis shows 0 contaminants.
Air quality readings are stable across all sectors.
This dashboard monitors the automated flow rate. If it drops below 98%, the system flags it for review.
Understood. And the quality control parameters?
Efficiency is currently at 98%.
Recalibration complete. Throughput optimized.
Check the pressure valve here as part of the weekly drill. Confirmed. Mechanism is secure. Safety protocols are updated and compliant. Good work, team.
The South American route is optimized.
Excellent. We need to verify the new Asian suppliers meet our standards.
Look at the output increase on line 3. That puts us 15% above the target for the quarter.
We need to verify the raw material consumption rate immediately.
Adjusting the pectin concentration here should stabilize the molecular structure.
The simulations confirm that increases.
The mature gummy bear factory's energy management system uses renewable sources to power production where possible.
Optimize the green route downtown. Save 15 minutes.
Blue route is red near the bridge. Initiate reroute immediately.
We're integrating the customer feedback directly into the product development cycle now. See how the suggestions optimize the robot's trajectory.
Based on these projections, we should prioritize the red gummy line.
Agreed. Updating the schedule now for immediate implementation.
Our compliance team ensures every product meets the highest international food safety standards.
This data stream confirms the reduction in material waste.
Excellent. The calibration adjustments were successful.
Look here. The simulation shows a bottleneck at Assembly Station 4.
Applying the adaptive logistics patch.
Our environmental sensors continuously monitor emissions, ensuring full compliance with all regulatory standards.
This mural illustrates the specialized machinery we use. The ingredients are precisely measured and then cooked in these large vats before shaping.
The viscosity is stabilizing at 0.8.
Good. Let's increase the feed rate slightly and check the texture.
The efficiency metrics on line 3 just dropped into the red zone. We need to address this bottleneck immediately to stay on schedule.
The mature gummy bear factory's export team manages customs and documentation for global shipments.
We need to refine the pathing on the primary arm.
Pushing the update now. Looks like the efficiency metrics are stabilizing.
As you can see, our zero waste initiatives are making significant progress.
We've optimized the gummy bear production.
The advanced factory's IT infrastructure supports seamless integration of all automated systems.
The preliminary allergen screening on batch 4 confirms our previous findings.
Good. And the contaminant panel?
As we zoom in, you can see how the integration of these robotic systems optimizes workflow efficiency across the assembly line.
Early weights. The structural profile of this gelling agent looks highly promising. The rheology data confirms improved elasticity.
The advanced factory's logistics network ensures timely delivery to retailers and distributors worldwide.
Here at the Gummy Bear Factory, HR is committed to providing the best training opportunities for your career growth.
The advanced factory's maintenance schedule is optimized using predictive analytics and IoT sensors.
If we optimize the parameters in Sector 3 now, we should see an immediate reduction.
Confirmed. The carbon footprint is dropping significantly across all operations.
These new prototypes are exactly what we were looking for.
Especially this citrus swirl. The market testing is going to love it.
Yeah.
We can fast-track the stability testing next week.
Check this batch here. DataStream confirms CE and ROHS compliance.
Approved for immediate distribution.
Efficiency is up 15%, exceeding our targets for the quarter.
Excellent. We should finalize the Q3 continuous improvement goals based on these metrics immediately.
Maintaining our reputation as a leader in advanced confectionery manufacturing. This new cycle represents the pinnacle of high-tech production.